how to set back tap or double tap to simulate the shake action on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. In here, tap on Double Tap or Triple Tap. I'm going to select Double Tap. After that, we go to the System section and scroll down. In here, tap on Shake, and that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, if you want to perform a shake action, for example, if you want to undo an action such as undo a deletion, you can perform a shake to undo. So here, I will delete this picture to delete photo. So one of the function on the iPhone is you can shake the iPhone like this to undo. So here, I'm trying to shake. And you can see it offer me to undo delete if I shake the phone. So instead of shaking the phone, now I can simply just double tap like this, and it will allow me to simulate the shake action. So that's just much easier than shaking the phone. You can just double tap at the back to perform a shake. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.